Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to connect Notion to Todoist so your tasks stay perfectly in sync. To make this integration work, we'll be using a service called Zapier, a popular automation tool that helps different apps communicate with each other. If you're new to Zapier, go ahead and create an account first. Once you're signed in, the next step is to link both your Notion and Todoist accounts to Zapier so they're ready to work together. After everything is connected, we can create what Zapier calls a zap, which is simply an automation that tells your apps how to behave. Start by creating a new zap and choose Notion as the trigger app. Set the trigger event to detect when a new task is added in Notion. Once the trigger is set, choose Todoist as the action app. This means that whenever a new task is created in Notion, Todoist will automatically create a matching task in the project you select. One of the most important steps is mapping your data, where you decide exactly how information from Notion should appear in Todoist. After you adjust those settings, just turn on your Zap, and the automation instantly goes live. From then on, every task you add in Notion will automatically sync to Todoist without any extra work from you. And that's all you need to seamlessly connect Notion with Todoist using Zapier. I hope this guide helps make your workflow smoother and more organized. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more productivity tips. Thanks for watching.